Okay, today we've got a demo of my crawling eye that you can build. I'll have a build video on this later. This was the first version. This particular one I used the TT gear motor, the 1x220. That's the slowest of the TT gear motors. And this project has very few parts, so it's a very simple build. It can be 3D printed on small printers. All these parts were done on the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. There's concentric wheels that give it a waddle as it moves, and the two arm hands are on cams on there, so it looks like it's dragging and pulling itself along. The iris part comes out so you can get to the battery holder, and in this case I've just got two AAA batteries in there, like so. And this first one wasn't quite enough. I liked it, the crawling hand. I decided I would add a little of the movie ideas of Reanimator 2, for example, into this. So let's set this guy down here. And did another one with bat wings, like so. And I thought I'd try a different motor, try a faster motor. So this one has the TT 1x120, so it should be about twice as fast as this one was. Let's get this one back out of the way and turn this one on. I kind of like the speed of that, so that's not a bad choice. I mean, the other TT motors you could try would be the 1x190, which should be faster than this. And this is the one that will be covered in the build video, showing how to 3D print and assemble the parts. Not the bat wing so much. That was just, you know, just having some fun with the whole thing. But there's very few parts to the build. This whole main body is one part, and then of course the two arms, each one of those are one part. The iris and pupil, that's done in two parts, because that way you can 3D print it in colored filaments, and you just put them in like that. Then after that you just have your TT motor, a switch, a battery box, and the two concentric wheels with rubber O-rings. So, oh, and there's a little paper clip that you slide in across there to keep the arms from dropping down too low. In my case, the switch is recessed because I only had slide switches with the short handle on them. You'd want to get one with the longer handle. And I tipped it forward and spilled that out. But in the build demo video, I'll cover where to get the STL files to do it, make it all. Basically, I started the project with a customizable scary eyeball that I found on the website Cults, and the builder's name there is Hold Control, HOLDCTRL, and that had the basic eyeball. He had three different eyeball builds there, and the tail part was a separate piece. So I joined the tail with the eyeball, scaled it up as big as I could go, and fit it on the A1 Mini, and then of course, you know, hollowed it out and all that kind of stuff, modified the everything for the batteries and the motor and that kind of stuff. Now, as far as the spooky hands, I was on printables, and there's a maker there called Hobbs 3S, HOBB3S, and he had moving zombie hand. So I took his zombie hand and modified it to hook onto my control lever, and scaled it up, of course, and that's where that came from. So links to the build video will be below. If I get these files up on Thingiverse in time, I'll put links to that also.